Hello, my dear student. I am Krishna Kumar. Today we start the new chapter, Conservation of Plants and Animals. Dear student, first we know about the meaning of the conservation. It means to give the protection and protect the such type of natural resource which are in the threatened zones. In conservation of plants and animals, first we see the topic deforestation. The deforestation is the clearing of forest and using the land for other purposes. When we cut down the trees for our needs, when clean the forest, that it refers to as the deforestation. There are several reasons for the deforestation. As we know, our needs are larger. To fulfill our needs, we cut down the trees, we clean the forest, such as to collect the land for cultivation, increase the land for the cultivation. When the population of human beings increases, the demand of the food is also increases. To fulfill the demand of the food, we need to increase the cultivating area, and so that to increase the cultivation, to increase the activities of agriculture, we need the agricultural land. And that's why to increase the agriculture field, we clean the forest, cut down the trees, and then increase the cultivation. The another major factor is here building houses and factories. Number of houses are built, and to fulfill the different kind of the demand, the factories are also established by the government or by the other companies. Then increasing the number of houses and the factories, it needs the land as well as the natural resource, and we collect the natural resource from the forest, and that's why we are compelled to cut down the trees and clean the forest. Another major reason is here using wood as fuel or making furniture and other kind of activities. In the rural areas, those peoples are survive, they have not the proper kinds of the fuel, and so they use the wood as a fuel. So to collect the wood, they cut down the trees, and cutting down of the trees is reason for the deforestation. These are the human activities by which the deforestation is caused, but the natural causes are also there that cause for the deforestation, such as forest fire, drought, flood, and other kind of the natural resource, natural disasters, natural causes that can be caused for deforestation or cleaning the forest. If we deforest, the deforestation is caused by the human activities as well as the natural calamities, then there are several consequences due to the deforestation. The consequences of deforestation are increase in the temperature and pollution level on the earth, because we know that the plant is major source for consumption of the carbon dioxide. So there is increase in the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere, that leading to global warming, and due to global warming, the temperature is increases in our environment. Most of the polluted gases are sink by the forest or trees, so that due to deforestation the pollution level of our earth or environment is increases. Lowering of groundwater level is also major consequences of deforestation, because we know that the forest or the plants, trees are the major source for rainwater, because the plants release the water in the form of water vapor during transpiration, and these makes the clouds, and after that rain causes. And due to lack of the trees and plants, the water cycle is get disturbed, and so that the groundwater level is get decreases. And also trees, plants and vegetation helps to absorption of the water and fulfill the water level of the ground, and that's why due to lack of the vegetation the percolation of water, absorption of water is not takes place in proper manner, and that's why the groundwater level is get decreased. Decrease in rainfall leading to drought is also major consequences of deforestation, because when the less rainfall is causes, then the area which affected by the less rainfall leading to the drought, soil erosion and decreases in soil fertility leading to desertification, because when we cut down the trees, then the fertile land is get eroded, they are moved from the fertile land to other place, and the hard rocky surface are come in contact of the atmosphere, and slowly they are converted into the sand, and the large area of the fertile land is changed into the desert. Decrease in water holding capacity of soil leading to floods, because we know that water is get absorbed when their speed is slow, but vegetations are clean due to deforestation, so that the large amount of water is moved to the river and increase the level of the river water. This is cause for floods, because the water from the river is flow in plain surface area and causes the floods. So these are the consequences of deforestation. As we know, drought is due to the condition of less rainfall. The fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increased amount in the atmosphere. This will lead to global warming, as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could causes the drought. The area on land which are affected by the less rainfall, in such area the conditions of drought may be seen, because there is no rainfall and the water is not moist the soil, and that's why the vegetations cannot be grow in such area and causes the droughts. In this picture you also can be see how the conditions are created when the area is affected by the drought. Soils become dry, get cracked, and the moisture content will reduces. And these conditions do not allow to growth of the vegetation and the plants, and that's why the green scenery of the nature will be affected, and the conditions of the drought causes the death of the number of animals, because number of animals are depend upon the grass. You also see there desertification, removal of top layer of soil exposes the hard and rocky lower layers which have very less humus and air. As they are less fertile, soil becomes like desert, and it is termed as desertification. In desertification, the fertile land is changed into the desert because the fertile land is get eroded due to soil erosion, and the rocky hard surfaces get exposed to the atmosphere, and slowly it will be changed into the desert as the dry conditions and the sand are scattered in such large area, so that the desertification is the changing of the fertile land into the desert. The one example is Thar Desert. Once time in Thar Desert area there is a vegetation, forest, and the trees. But now in this time there will be the only the sand, and this is due to the desertification. Thank you, my dear students, watching my video. Again, I come with the new video with the topic conservation of forest and wildlife. Thank you.